important to have good quality sound in your videos, and some of the ways to improve the quality of your sound, of course, are by the microphone that you use and pop filter with a double screen. And the other thing is that you can surround your microphone with something that absorbs the sound that's coming from outside the room, like maybe the hum of your computer, or if a car drives by, or your cat meows, whatever. And in the beginning, this is the one that I used to use. It was just a storage box lined with mattress foam. They're pretty good. You can set them right on your desk. I like to stand when I do a voiceover, so actually I had mine hanging from the ceiling, and it really wasn't that portable. So I'm going to show you, this is like the ultimate cheapest and most portable. As a matter of fact, even if you're a professional voiceover artist and you travel, you know, I've seen people have to hide in their hotel room closet and put blankets around, but if they just did this could pack right in their suitcase. It's very light, costs next to nothing. So here is my idea. Piece of foam, put it around the mic stand, about this high, clip one of these clips, clip it on there. You can also put a clip in the back to make it a little bit steadier. And your script, where are you going to put your script, right? You might say. Well, I'll turn this around so you can see. Script. Script goes there. Now I don't have this clipped on properly, but ordinarily I would clip it on so that it's not going to lean to the side or this way or that way. And if you want to deaden the sound even a little bit more, there's like a little lid that you can put on it. Just like that. So that is my DIY voice improving voiceover project for those on a budget, which I think most people are. Okay guys, so I am now recording this using my super duper foam microphone isolating setup so that you can see, so you can hear the difference. Let me know what you think. Is this a great idea or a dumb idea?